Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check it out. Today we are going to start with the S&P 500. As I told you for the past few days, I told you S&P 500 is going inside this descending broadening wedge, and I'm expecting anytime soon to break to the upside. And that breakout happened just 2 days ago, and that is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as well. I'm going to show you the BTC dominance. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance had a fake breakout to the downside and now is going back to the upside. As you can see on the daily time frame, the Bitcoin dominance actually is so bullish, and that is good for the Bitcoin price, but it is not that much good for the altcoins. I'm going to show you the chart I have got for Bitcoin as well. What we can see on the 4-hour time frame, I told you what do we have in here. The 78% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high, which was about 58.3k, to the low we had recently about the $43,000. I told you if Bitcoin can stay above the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement, it is going a bullish sign. And as you can see, Bitcoin is staying above that one on the daily time frame as well, even the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. I told you yesterday as well, what do we have? We have got the 55 to actually $56,000 as a resistance. But the good news is Bitcoin actually broke the $56,000 area, which was working as a previous resistance and support for us. Now Bitcoin is staying above this one, and the $56,000 area is working as a really good support for us at the moment. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. I told you the $58,300, which was about the previous high we had, actually is going to work as a short-term resistance for us. And I did tell you I'm expecting a rally from the actually $54,000 to the upside. As you can see, the middle line is working as a really good support at the moment for Bitcoin. This middle line is working really nice as a support, and the upper line is working as a resistance at the moment. If we lose this middle line, actually the next support is going to be around the $54,000. Is going to be the next support line we have got. Bitcoin at the moment is playing inside this channel we have got, and anytime soon I'm expecting Bitcoin to break to the upside and move a rally to the about the $65,000 to $70,000 area. I'm going to show you the Ethereum chart I have got as well, but before I do that, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel as well. I'm going to the Ethereum chart on the daily time frame. I told you for several times I'm expecting a rally to about the $2,300 to about the $2,250 for Ethereum as well. $1,400 and $1,600 and $1,700 area is working as a really nice support for Ethereum at the moment. And if I go to another chart I have got in here to show it to you, I told you for several times this like a cylinder pattern actually we have got in here. Just let me remove this one. I told you Ethereum is working in between these two green line we have got in here, which they are working as a support and resistance. And the middle line with the white color, I told you I'm expecting that one to work as a short-term resistance for Ethereum for now, and that one happened for the past 3 or 4 days. Actually, this one is working as a really nice resistance at the moment. By any time Ethereum can pass about $1,975 area, I'm expecting to reach to 2,250 very soon, and after that maybe around the $2,800 area is going to really work as a really nice resistance for Ethereum as well. I have got another chart, I can share it to you. There's support at the moment we have got, I told you $1,725 is going to be a really nice support for Ethereum. As you can see, this green candle on the daily time frame, the low of this one was about the $1,730. That means the $1,700 to $1,725 is going to be around the nice support for Ethereum at the moment. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like at the moment we have got the channel for Ethereum, and anytime actually Ethereum can pass this channel, which the previous high was about the 1,820 or $1,830, actually we are going to see another rally from Ethereum to the upside. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.